Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to delete a profile in your Amazon Prime Video account. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface of Amazon Prime Video. And right now, I just want to delete this profile. Well, here's what we can do about it. Initially, what you need to do is simply hover over your profile name along with the picture. Once you hover over it, something like this will open up right from there. Do you note that there are two sections there? One is your account and other is your profiles. We're simply gonna focus on the profile section. I'm just gonna scroll right down and almost at the very bottom, you'll see something like Manage Profiles. Simply click on it, then this will open up, and as always, let's click on Edit Profile. Now from here, simply select the profile that you want to edit. Right now, this here is the one I want to edit, so I'm just gonna click on it. Then this page will open up. Well, we're not gonna focus on many things. At the bottom, you'll see this button called as Remove Profile, and right next to it is a button called as Remove. Just click on it and give your confirmation. If you don't want to delete it, simply hit on Keep Profile, else Remove Profile. And guys, that's it. We have deleted a profile in our Amazon Prime Video account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.